What if you can create an ebook, an online course, digital templates, or stock photos and sell them. The beauty here is that you create the product once, upload it to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable, and then it can be sold thousands of times without you lifting another finger. Each sale is pure profit after the initial creation cost. Think about it. Once your course is recorded, edited, and uploaded, it can earn you money year after year. Studies show that the e-learning market is booming. expected to reach over $300 billion in the next few years, meaning there's a massive audience eager to learn from people like you. And speaking of leveraging the internet, affiliate marketing is another excellent route. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You don't have to create a product, handle custom service, or manage inventory. Your main job is to create content, maybe a blog post, a YouTube review, or a social media post that genuinely recommends a product you love and believe in. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. For example, if you review your favorite noise-cancelling headphones and link to them on Amazon, you earn a small percentage of that sale. It's a powerful way to monetize your existing interests and hobbies without the heavy lifting of product development. Finally, for the truly low-effort, low-risk approach, consider high-yield savings accounts, HESAs, or certificates of deposit, CDs. While these won't make you a millionaire overnight, they offer a safe way to earn interest on your cash, simply for having it in an account. In today's economic climate, many HESAs offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, often 4 to 5% or more, allowing your money to grow without any active management from you. CDs lock in your money for a set period, often offering even better rates in exchange for that commitment. It's not flashy, but it's a solid, secure foundation for any passive income strategy, especially for your emergency fund or money you don't need immediately. The biggest hurdle for most isn't finding ideas, but actually starting. The key is to pick one or two that resonate with you. Start small and be consistent. Don't try to do everything at once. Maybe you start by researching dividend ETFs for an hour each week, or dedicating a few evenings to outlining your first digital product. The compounding effect, both of your money and your efforts, will surprise you. Remember, even small consistent steps lead to big results over time. Think about it. If you invest just $100 a month consistently, over 30 years with an average 8% return, you could have nearly $150,000. That's the power of patience and consistent action. The journey to financial independence through passive income isn't always a sprint, it's a marathon. But with the right strategies and a bit of dedication up front, you can build a future where your money works tirelessly for you, giving you the freedom to live life on your own terms. If you're ready to take the next step in building your passive income empire, make sure you watch this next video where we dive even deeper into finding the perfect digital product idea for you to launch. Thanks for watching the video.